over and take a look at this video in Lenoir, where a Caldwell County Sheriff deputy lost control of his SUV and crashed into other vehicles and then into a building. Unbelievable here. This afternoon, Channel 9 has learned that the deputy, along with several others, were responding to an armed suspect in Lenoir. Channel 9's Dave Faraday first broke news of the crash this morning and has the latest on the investigation this afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah, we know that there are two separate investigations ongoing right now, one by the Caldwell County Sheriff's Office, the other by the North Carolina Highway Patrol, which is investigating the crash. If you look behind me, you can see the curve here in Lenoir where that accident happened Sunday morning. Take a look at some of this video that we got just within the last hour or so. That crash happened along Creekway Drive in Lenoir when a Caldwell County Sheriff's deputy's SUV was out of control and struck a vehicle at Tim's Automotive. The impact damaged several other cars, knocking one into the building. The Highway Patrol says the deputy was running emergency traffic to Walmart, where another officer radioed in about an armed suspect and a stolen vehicle. Immediately after the crash, we could see neighbors run to help the deputy, who they got out of the vehicle. The owner of the business is glad he wasn't seriously hurt. The Highway Patrol estimates his speed at the time of the wreck was around 80 miles per hour.
I just couldn't believe what happened, and that we weren't getting any help. We're shut down until further notice.
Thank God nobody got hurt. That's all I was worried about. Just happy nobody got hurt.
And the business was cleared to reopen a little over an hour ago. I talked to sheriff deputies here in Caldwell County. They're telling me that the sheriff's office does have insurance and will be covering the damages here. The deputy is out of the hospital, and I'm told he's on administrative leave this midday pending the outcome of the internal investigation. Allison, back to you.
It could have been so much worse, Dave. Thank you.